Welcome, children, to our exciting whiteboard learning activities. Get ready to embark on a journey of discovery, creativity, and fun as we explore new ideas and concepts together. Here's what we have in store for you. 1. Interactive storytelling. Let's kick off our session with an interactive storytelling adventure. We'll use the whiteboard to draw scenes from a story while you help create characters, settings, and plot twists. Get ready to let your imagination soar. 2. Math games galore. Who says math can't be fun? Join us for a series of math games and puzzles on the whiteboard. From number races to fraction challenges, we'll make learning math a blast. 3. Spellbinding spelling bee. Test your spelling skills in our spellbinding spelling bee. We'll use the whiteboard to display words for you to spell out loud or write down. Let's see who can spell the most words correctly and become the spelling champion. 4. Science experiments. Get hands-on with science experiments right on the whiteboard. We'll explore the wonders of science through interactive demonstrations, from erupting volcanoes to magnetic experiments and more. 5. Artistic adventures. Unleash your inner artist in our artistic adventures. We'll use the whiteboard as our canvas to create beautiful drawings, doodles, and masterpieces. Let your creativity flow and watch your imagination come to life. 6. Word building fun. Join us for word building fun as we play with letters, sounds, and words on the whiteboard. From word scrambles to word searches and word building challenges, we'll sharpen our language skills while having a great time. 7. Geography quest. Embark on a geography quest around the world. Using the whiteboard, we'll explore maps, landmarks, and cultures from different countries. Get ready for an exciting journey of discovery and learning. 8. Brain teasers and puzzles. Put your thinking caps on for brain teasers and puzzles on the whiteboard. We'll challenge your problem-solving skills with riddles, logic puzzles, and more. Are you up for the challenge? Get ready for an unforgettable learning experience filled with laughter, excitement, and endless opportunities to grow and explore. Let's dive into our whiteboard learning activities and make unforgettable memories together.